How to fix community standards Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the community standards in your Facebook Messenger. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook Messenger and get logged into your Messenger account. Now let's go ahead and open up a chat that we are having a problem with. Once you open the chat, just shake your phone. As you do so, you will by default see a report technical problem option. Tap on report problem, then tap on include if you would like to include the photo. Now, while creating a report, under description, simply explain that you have not violated any community guidelines. Even though you are facing such problems, request Facebook to resolve your issue as soon as possible. Then tap on send on your top right. And just like so, this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.